But the best time to pray, you know when?
In the middle of the night.
Oh, when the back against the wall. Me no have no friend at all. Jesus taught me how to. Why you don't wake up in the middle? Oh, in the middle of the night. I went me back against the wall. Gotta me no have no friend at all. My Jesus taught me how to pray. Pray, Christian. In the middle. Hey, we have your hand and you do what you will. Put your